Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. We are going to discuss about how to do the choice filling of NEET SS. The choice filling has started. In this video, I will help you, I will guide you through the choice filling step by step, how to find the colleges. In case you are very peculiar about how to find the colleges in particular state or city with particular pin code, because the state filter is not there, and how to download the PDF. What is the how is there any hack that you can do it quickly? Okay, definitely there is a hack if you are doing it on desktop, and you must be doing on desktop. So we are going to discuss all these things. Stay tuned for another 5 to 10 minutes. Before we start, if you're new here, please do subscribe, because the counseling process has just started. It will go on for 3 rounds. Okay, those who are not qualified, they can't do anything, but you must be very much aware about the process and the trends. Okay, these are our packages. If you have already subscribed, you must be knowing, and you can contact us on this number in case you want to know more about the packages and what services we offer. Okay, right now the most important point is the choice filling. Today is 15th and 16th, 17th, 18th, including today. 4 days we have for choice filling, but I recommend that you complete the choice filling one day prior. Okay, so how you can directly access to the choice filling. Okay, so we have one package 7.5k. In case you just need the choice filling order with the details like stipend, bond, penalty, whether the institutes, particularly DNV institutes, are providing hostel facility, bed capacity, fee structure, and all such details. Okay, so here you can find the choice filling, but for that you have to pay. Okay, and you can access the what is available over there without making payment. You have to just create an account. So after creating account, go to the NEET SS. Okay, from drop down, and then last option is choice filling premium. Okay, click on that. So you will able to find like this. Currently the DRNV choice filling is still in progress. Okay, so you might check private and government. So it will show you the, you can have like filter option also. You can filter based on the state, based on the branches, and based on the stipend. Okay, based on the bond. So choice order is already given for different branches. Okay, suppose cardiac anesthesia, this is a demo version. This much you will be able to see, so that you know like what details is available, is it relevant also for you or not. Okay, it will show you for particular branch the institute is available in which state, whether it's government or private. Okay, how many years of bond or no bond, if there is bond, how much is penalty, and how much is the stipend monthly. Okay, fee structure. So these are all things you will be able to see. For those candidates who already have taken the service, the package of 3k, if you want to upgrade for the choice filling, then you don't have to pay again totally. You can contact us. I'll tell you how to do after making the remaining payment of 4.5k. In case you want the services related to call support, you can choose 30k or 20k services. Now coming to the choice filling, how to do it. When you log in into the MCC, so this is the first page you will see. Okay, so choice filling and candidate profile, available choices, choice locking, seat allotment result, registration unlocking, fee, payment details, view download letters. What is the meaning of all this thing? I will explain you. Candidate profile means your profile. Available choices, it will show you, as it is showing 881 available choices. It will show the available choices, but you can just see. Okay, and in the choice filling where there is a new flag, you have to click on that, and then before that I'll tell you choice locking. When it comes to picture, you have to lock the choices before the last date of the choice locking. Okay, but after locking you can't unlock or you can't make any changes. Okay, so after everything is done, any kind of rearrangement or any kind of addition deletion is remaining, you don't do the choice locking, leave it like that. And any time during the choice filling, you can save and continue. Where you can do save and continue, here you can see on the right side there are two buttons, save and continue, save and go to home. Okay, so that's meaning of choice locking. Means after that you can't do anything, everything, all the choices you have saved and it's locked. Seat allotment result. Once the result is announced, you can download the seat allotment result from here. Registration unlocking. If you want to make any kind of changes in the application or registration, you can do from registration unlocking. You have to make the payment again up 2 lakhs. Okay, and the previous payment will be refunded. Now, next step, when you click on the choice filling, there are 3 drop downs. Institute type. So you have a DM and MCH. I will come to the point in case you have applied in multiple groups. Okay, so how you will able to do the choice filling? It's very simple. In the under the program name, if you are coming from medical group, all the medical branches will be showing there. The surgical branches or like critical care branches, pediatric branches won't be showing up there. Okay, pertaining to only the relevant groups, all the branches will be showing up. And if you are from multiple groups, then both the branches related to both of groups will be shown over there. And it is possible that one college you select from medical group and other college you can select from critical care group if you have taken the examination in 2 groups. Okay, so you don't have to get confused. It's just the number of branches getting added up in the same login. So you can select the institute type. Okay, and then after selecting institute type, it will only show on the left side. On the left side you can see the institute like Apollo, AJ, Medical College, Acharya, Harrier Postgraduate Institute. This way it will show. It has institute name, program name means the branch name, and the quota, and action button is add. So when you click add, it will be shipped to right side. So this is how it will show. Okay, it will shift to right side, and then you can click save and continue. During the login you have 11:30 12 minutes window. Okay, and after 12 minutes it will be logged out automatically. In case you want to continue it for longer, what you can do, you can click on any other link other than choice filling. Go to another section like managed field choices, and then again come to choice filling. So that is a kind of workaround to stay in the session for a longer time. Now you can select institute. Okay, and if you select one institute, you can select the program after that. Okay, so suppose you selected Christian CMC Vellore, and then you can select all the any branch in the CMC Vellore. Okay, and only that combination of institute and program will be showing up, and you can click and add. Now I'll tell you the beauty here. Okay, there are 2 check boxes, institute address and institute type. So when you check both the check boxes, okay, so how it works like this. It shows the address with complete address, pin code, state and city. So when you check both the check boxes and you want, see there is no filter of a state. Suppose you want to fill the institutes in particular branch coming from particular state, Maharashtra. So there is no way to do it, but there is a workaround. Try to understand it very clearly. In the desktop you have a Control plus F option, which is not available in the mobile. Okay, you do Control plus F. What is the meaning of Control plus F? You can search in the browser for a particular keyword. Suppose you are searching for Maharashtra, and at the moment when you checked both the check boxes, it has shown the complete address along with the state name and city name. Even pin code is there. Okay, and there is option view fee details. When you click on view fee details, that's how it will show. It will show the complete institute name. In case there is a district hospital and you are not sure about the district hospital, like which district hospital in Andhra Pradesh, then you can select check the institute address, and it will differentiate that this is the address of the institute. Okay, so you can differentiate because the first name might be same, district hospital Andhra Pradesh. There might be many, Even in Hyderabad there might be many. Okay, and here it will show the tuition fee. So this is the tuition fee is going to be considered. Okay, and suppose you clicked on Control plus F and search for Maharashtra, then it will highlight all the Maharashtra words appearing on this page. So you can scroll through the list and can click on the add corresponding to all highlighted options. Okay, so this is the kind of like hack to do the choice filling as per the state preference, to quickly do it. Okay, when you do it and then you want to take a printout of all the field choices, then what you do, again go to the option where you clicked on choice filling. Beneath choice filling there is a view field choices. Click on that, it will show up all the choices. Under that, print list of unlocked field choices, you click on that, automatically a PDF will be downloaded, which you can share with anyone. Okay, or you can keep it with yourself. If you don't know this process, then you will keep on taking a screenshot and it won't be coming in proper format. Okay, so that's how you have to do the choice filling. Okay, but this is just a technical process. Sometimes and you make sure that you click on save and continue before jumping to the choice filling, because you don't need to do the choice filling of 10 to 15 institutes. You might need to do for 100 of institutes in case you are going for government and DNB. Okay, so in case of private, you make sure that you have the fee structure correct here and cross verify before adding it. Okay, in case of DNB and government or even private, you make the list of the choices on desktop, in your computer, or on the pen paper. When you are going to fill it, don't make any mistake. Just do it kind of like minor work. Fill it 1 2 3 like that, whichever way you have written on your notepad, because in case you fill like 20 options and 22nd option you want to shift on the second number, it will be very difficult. Okay, and even you are trying many other options, because options are there: choice interchange, choice rearrange, multiple deletion. These options are there, it will help you, but I recommend don't explore much. Keep it very simple, because I have my experiences when the candidates are switching the options up and down, okay, a lot, like they want 10 options to be moved up, and 10 options from up they want to move it down. Okay, there is a high probability that you will do some kind of mistake which won't be visualized with the moment you are doing it. Okay, later you will realize that okay, you have made a mistake, it is not in proper ordering. So make sure that the order is full and final, and then only you are going to enter. Okay, so that's very important, because the system might be working very slow. Okay, and it is possible that what you are visualizing might be looking correct, but behind the scene you have done some kind of mistake which you won't be able to notice, because many candidates have got wrong branch in the result, because they didn't notice that okay, they have selected a branch instead of like critical care, they have selected some other branch mistakenly. But the computer doesn't understand that okay, you were intended to go for particular branch, but this is mistake. They will just go with your choice filling. Okay, so make sure that you do it peacefully and don't do the choice filling for a very long time. Do it for like a maximum 20 minutes 30 minutes and take a break. Okay, so that's how you should do it. I hope this video was useful for you, and if you are interested in any kind of support, thus you can call us on this number or you can send us WhatsApp messages. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.